Okay, let's do this. So I built some apps. App number 1 allows you to run a server on your phone. So I have a phone. You can see my screen. And I have this action camera. It's already streaming to this phone. So what I did, I just opened my app. Once I open my app, it starts running a server. You can go here to the how to use section and you'll read it and you'll understand it better. But once you open the app, it starts running the server. And what that means is you can configure your action camera to stream to that server, right? And so I'm streaming to the server right now, and that means I can play whatever I'm streaming using, for example, VLC player. I'll just put it next here. So if I start VLC player, and I already have it pre-configured, but so you put one of these URLs into this camera to stream to this server and use the same URL most likely to play it. So in this case I already have it configured, so I'll just give you a quick demo. Have to turn down the volume, but basically yes, so this is what my phone is seeing. So I can, again, I have this camera, I have the server, I'm streaming from this camera to the server running on the phone, and I can play with the same URL. You know, the thing that I'm streaming. So that's app number 1. Yeah, so basically, like I said, this MediaSrvr, that's in particular RTMP server. Once you open it up, it starts running. So it's explained in the how to section at the top. So if you want to stop it, you just scroll down from the top, and there are these notifications. So what you do, you tap this on the right side of the notification for the server. It opens up, you know, there's a little arrow on the right side here, and then once it opens up, you see there's like a button to stop the server. Once you click that button, it kills it and closes the app. Okay, so this camera is a Dji Osmo Action 4 camera. It has its own app, so each camera has its own app, but they all work in a similar way. Usually you have to, phone and the camera have to be on the same network, usually Wi-Fi. I think, I guess there's no other option. They have to be on the Wi-Fi. Usually if you are outside and you want to stream, it makes sense to create a hotspot, which is a small Wi-Fi that your phone can create, and that way camera and your phone will be on the same network and they can see each other and talk to each other. So I already have my phone configured to have that small Wi-Fi hotspot, and basically what I need to do is this camera to connect to that hotspot, and then I will configure this camera to have to go to this phone to this server, right? To stream to this phone, this server, and to do that I need a URL, and the URLs are here on the home screen. They are automatically created for you. So at the bottom, what you see at the bottom is just with the stuff with the black background. Those are server logs. You don't have to worry about them too much, but they can give you an idea of what's going on. But basically, if you streaming, like I said, from another device, you pick the URL, the one that's not a localhost URL. So that would be second from the top in this case. So SWLAN 0, that's my hotspot I created, right? So let's do this. So I open up DJI Mimo. there's like different steps you have to go, but different screens, but you get to this screen that says live stream settings. So step 1, you would pick your hotspot Wi-Fi. So this is my phone hotspot. So what we're doing, I think phone uses I think like a Bluetooth or something to connect to this camera, and we can configure this camera to connect to the correct network and send stream to the correct URL. Okay, so again, step 1, we at the top we connect it to the correct network, which is this phone's network. Step 2, we grab the URL. We just tap on the URL that's not a local host, so that's this URL. Okay, I think I already have it. Oh no, that's a different one, right? One second. Yeah, let's try this one. Let's do this one. Just copy paste it. You know, other settings don't matter that much. Start live stream. And I think we are streaming. So this camera is streaming, and you can you know, look at this screen. This is what you see. And then, like I said, this camera is streaming where? To this app with the red icon. How do you know? You can see in some of these server logs, you can see it if you want, but I think a good way to test it, again, you grab if you want, you can grab the same URL. One of these URLs I think should do it, and then you come, where do you go? Oh yeah, somewhere in VLC player you'll find this section with like streams. So you do new stream, and you copy paste this URL, and then it starts playing basically. And you copy paste this URL, and that is how you know it works. And then it starts playing. Basically, that's one of the ways to know, but you'll see it working. And that is how you know screen as well. It works. And you can hear it has an audio and everything. You'll see it working here on the screen as well. And you can hear it has. Okay, now I think we're ready for my next app. So now you get an idea. Okay, you stream this camera to the phone, right? You can watch that stream with any player. So I have this next app. It's essentially using a player, RTMP player inside it, and it can play. It can play it. So, but it can use just phone cameras as well. But on the bottom, actually, you know what? Let's roll. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Let's try it. There is a button, so you click that button, bottom left corner, and that starts playing. So you click that button, bottom left corner. So yeah. Anyhow, and so it sees this camera. Right. Okay. So we are on the step. This camera is streaming to the server. Now to the first app, to the MediaSrvr app. Now second app, LifeStreamer, can watch it and restream it further. And you can stream it. Usually what people want for IRL streaming is SRT. So usually you would stream to SRT because there's all kinds of good things that it probably gives you for streaming outdoors on unreliable internet. So what I do is I stream this app on into this other app, into app number 3. Here we go. app number 3, Bond Bunny. So what it is, you start it, and currently my phone is actually has its own SIM card, so that's one SIM card, and I have this second phone, iPhone 8, which created its own hotspot, so that's my second SIM card. So my first phone is on the Wi-Fi of the second phone, and that means it has access to 2 SIM cards, 2 networks, right? So if I start this service, if I tap the button, that's what you will see. I don't know if it helps if I rotate. So you will see it says okay, that it can see 2 connections. One is cellular network, or connection number 2 is its own SIM card, and the second network is the Wi-Fi or any other Wi-Fi. So if my phone is on any other Wi-Fi, that's a second connection. It can also be on Ethernet, so that will be anyhow. So those are the 3 options available: Wi-Fi, cellular, and Ethernet. So you can have 3 at the same time. So you would stream. So let me show you this app. App number 2 is seeing this. So I have it configured. I cannot show you because you'll see my stream key, but believe me, I have it configured to stream to the app number 3. So you tap it. So actually you notice it asks you for this permission to record the screen, but I only use it to record the audio for RTMP player because I couldn't figure out a better way to make it work. Anyhow, don't worry about this. I'm not recording your screen or anything. I just use it for audio recording for the RTMP player. So here I am streaming into app number 3. And you will see the app number 3 is sort of a proxy server, so it will forward. I'm actually streaming right now onto Belabox Cloud. How can I show you? I'll show you like this. Here we go. Anyhow, so that's my action cam. Going to Belabox Cloud. I think it's a huge delay because there's just 30-second delay probably. No, probably less, but doesn't matter. So what you're seeing is because this is all in my OBS, I can have Belabox Cloud as a source into OBS. So basically, it just sees that final stream that goes out. Anyhow, app number 3, it can use multiple connections of your phone. Blah blah blah. I think you should probably know. You can read the details somewhere. So how do you get these apps? Just go to my GitHub. I'll have a link somewhere in the description, and I have these 3 projects pinned. So they are not on Google Play Store or anything. I just have them on GitHub. You have to go there and download. So I think I have them open. Yep. So app number 1, MediaSrvr server. I don't know. I thought that's the name. And basically, what you do, you read this page, the front page, README. It's called README, and it explains you how to install it and stuff like that. So that's app number 1. App number 2 is LifeStreamer. Same deal. You come here, you read it, you install it on your phone. How do you install it? Usually you would open this page on your phone. I guess I could show you, but yeah, you'll just go, and when you open it, you go and find the releases, and then you just download this one of the releases, this .apk file. this one. You just download it on your phone. Actually, let me show you. So you just open my GitHub. I'll have the links somewhere in the description. You just open it on your phone, you scroll down and you see there's 3 pinned projects. So you just open one by one, you go MediaSrvr, click that. And then you scroll down and you look for releases. You tap on that release, the last release. You see this. And if you scroll a little bit down, you see there's assets. And what you need is .apk file, this guy. The top asset, that's the only file you need. You tap that. I guess I have it downloaded, so okay, download complete. Tap that, and it's just gonna ask you want to install it. I don't know, I have all these other things. You might not might be easier on your phone. And then it's just saying well, I guess I already have it, so yeah. So you do that for each of the apps. You'll figure out the rest by yourself, I think. I just want to give you a quick tour again. MediaSrvr, you open, it's running the server. LifeStreamer, you open. The default view is this phone camera view. You can switch between phone cameras and RTMP sources. And it's got setting. I don't want to open it up because you might see my stream key. And then Bond Bunny, again, you open this up. You can read about section, things like that. I don't want to give you too much explanation. I think it's all pretty self-explanatory. So you just have to click this start service button. This is when it actually starts connecting to your Belabox Cloud server on each of the available connections and stuff. So if you're not using it, just stop it so it doesn't take up space and use your phone resources and such. Anyhow, so this was just a quick demo. Maybe I should put together a proper longer video sometime, like how to walk you through in a lot more detail, but I think I just wanted to give you a quick tour, just to show you what these apps look like. This is what they look like. Trying them out. I think they're pretty stable now. So yeah, that's it.